Hi, my name is Donna and I'm a personal chef, cooking instructor, and a recipe developer. I just love creating healthy, simple, easy, fast, budget-friendly recipes. The main inspiration to create video recipes were my children who are away. They are in college and they call me a few times a week and ask me what to buy, what to prepare, what ingredients to put together. And I'm happy to help them, of course. And I believe that there are a lot of other young people in the same boat who want to prepare healthy, budget-friendly, easy, fast, delicious meals for themselves. So I'm hoping that my recipes will be helpful for a lot of people. I was thinking a lot what to prepare for my first video. I even asked them for the ideas and they gave me some ideas. But then I went to bed and I had a dream and it was about quinoa salad. So I woke up and I said, hey, why not? We all love quinoa. It's a great grain. It's gluten-free. It has high protein and it's one of the plants that contain all 9 essential amino acids. I also love quinoa because it's great. It doesn't have distinct taste and it absorbs the flavor from the dressing and other vegetables that you put with them. And it's versatile because you can just add whatever you like butternut squash, dried fruit, nuts. You can make your own combination. For today, I decided to make simple quinoa salad with feta cheese and olives and pomegranate seeds. I love pomegranate seeds. This season, October, November, December is a good season for pomegranates, and I should have peeled them in front of you probably, but I already peeled them, and these are little segments, so it's easy to just take the little seeds out when you have those little segments already done. So anyway, yeah, olives give nice saltiness to your quinoa salad and nice color, and feta also gives some nice texture, creaminess, and saltiness. I like to use just simple dressing with lemon or lime juice and zest and good olive oil and 1 garlic clove. It's not a lot, but it gives really, really nice flavor. One thing about quinoa, it is naturally coated with the ingredient called saponin, and it has a very bitter taste, and it's not good to use without rinsing it. Though some companies pre-wash it and it's already dried, rinsed and dried, so I prefer to buy already pre-washed and clean with saponin because I like to toast my quinoa before I start adding water and start cooking, and when I rinse it, then it's hard to toast it because it's wet. But if you have at home like that quinoa that is not pre-washed, then you have to rinse it because you need to take that saponin coating from the quinoa, because then it's gonna have like bitter taste. Okay, so I have 2 cups of quinoa. It's already pre-washed and dry. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil and just toast it on let's do medium high, and you just need to keep an eye on it so you don't burn it, and it takes about 5 minutes to toast, not much. So I have 2 cups of quinoa, which is nicely toasted. It took about 5 minutes, and I'm going to add about 4 cups water. You just cook like you cook rice. And I like to add a little bit of salt right in the beginning, so it kind of distributes when it has water around, so it distributes salt and salts quinoa evenly. And then I'm not gonna touch it for about 10-15 minutes. I have about 1 cup olives, And you don't have to be precise, really. Like, you can add half a cup or 2 cups or as much as you like, but you have to keep in mind that balance is everything, so everything has to be balanced. So you cannot just put too much of one ingredient, because then it won't be balanced food. So this is about half a cup, so I'm gonna finish cutting the rest of the olives. Break your feta into, you know, like small little bites, just like that. Or you can buy already crumbled. I don't like it. I don't like crumbled one. I can crumble it myself. It's a little messy, but that's fine, right? Quinoa, as I already mentioned, doesn't have a distinct flavor, and it absorbs the flavor from the dressing. And I like to make really simple dressing, which is lemon or lime zest. 1 lemon or lime zest, that will be enough. Olive oil, maybe, it depends like how much quinoa you're cooking, about 2-3 tablespoons. If you're cooking 2 cups, you'll probably need 4 or 5, because it's dry. You don't want to have the dry quinoa salad. All right. Yeah, it's about half teaspoon, I could say. And let's roll a little bit, get the juices going. Okay. And 1 garlic clove. And it's better to grate it, because this way you don't really taste and you don't feel garlic, but it gives really nice flavor. Not too much. So 1 garlic clove, medium size, will be perfect. Olive oil, some good olive oil. Freshly ground black pepper. There is big difference in flavor, so make sure you get that. So, and give it a little shake. So the dressing is ready, and our quinoa will be ready in a minute or 2, and we'll flavor it. So we have all the ingredients pretty much ready. We have our feta, we have our olives, and I'm gonna get some more pomegranate seeds. We use a lot of pomegranate seeds in Georgian cooking. So now it's boiling, so I'm gonna reduce the temperature to medium low, like 2 or 3, and cover so it gets nice and fluffy. I can add the dressing, which is already made, when the quinoa is still hot and steaming, so it absorbs all the flavor from my sauce. And just stir a little bit. And you can turn the heat off and just leave it for about 5 minutes. It will be easier to kind of cool down a little bit. I don't want to put other ingredients when it's too hot, so we can just let it cool a little bit. But olives can go in, and I guess feta can go in, but I will save pomegranate seeds later, because I don't want to add that when it's too hot, because then it's gonna change the color. Okay, and we'll see you later. Okay, let's move it in a bowl. And that will be good as a side dish, or if you are a vegetarian, you can just have it for lunch or dinner. Garnish it with some fresh herbs, parsley, dill, or cilantro, and enjoy. So this was our quinoa salad with olives, feta cheese, and pomegranate seeds. It was really easy. It's budget friendly. It's not expensive. It probably will cost you about under $15, and you can make it under 20 minutes. So if you like this video, please click subscribe button, and if you have any requests, you can write in the comments, and I'll create some easy, healthy, budget-friendly recipes for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.